Hi guys, AP Adventures.
What do you got there?
A Marvel, Deadpool characters, and we're gonna go for them.
It's the Marvel Collector's Core Deadpool edition from Amazon.com. Okay.
We're gonna go for this one at a time. Yeah. Okay.
What's that? Whoa.
What the heck? Why is there a Spider-Man riding a unicorn?
That says Deadpool on unicorn. Show it to the camera.
What the heck is this?
Put it right up to the camera.
This is so weird.
Don't move.
It's literally just like... Oh
What's
my
the back?
gosh.
Show them the back.
Look, it's just like a little Spider-Man riding a unicorn.
It's Deadpool.
It's Deadpool, unicorn.
Okay, what else? Well, look at the back. Show them the back. There's lots of stuff on there. There's other Deadpools.
Yeah, there's like a pirate one. We got the shower one that's right here, but it's
next
little.
item.
So we got a little shower thing right here.
Put it up to the camera, one at a time.
We got this little shower thing.
Don't move it, they can't see it.
This little shower thing right here.
Okay, that's a Deadpool, bath time Deadpool, the little tiny one. Okay.
Okay. That can probably.
Don't open it. That's fine.
Right,
just leave it in there. What is that? That's it. Aaron, go back to that thing. What is that? Nope, the yellow one.
Oh, this is like
What do you think it is?
Wait, this is supposed to be Deadpool driving a bus.
Yeah, I think it's a taco holder. You put tacos in it.
Oh yeah.
It's a taco truck.
The taco truck.
What do you think of that? That's funny. Okay. Next item.
Okay, what is this?
It's a little Deadpool guy. Here.
It's a little.
Okay, is there anything else in there?
No. That's just it.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see that Funko Pop. We'll get a better view of that. That was the main item here.
There's a little rainbow in the back if you can see that.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, it's a big
There he
one.
is. Okay. Alright. That's it.
We can collect like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them.
Yeah, there's lots of them. Okay, sign us off. Bye.
Bye. Make sure you subscribe.